What's up, YouTube? This is Straight Kicksta here. If you can't tell by the box already, I will be showing you the Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 197. Gonna be doing this review a little bit differently. This will be a retail versus UA comparison. That's the box. Everything that came in, a StockX. Take everything out, and then we'll go over the shoes, the correct paper, a little Chinese Nike tag, we will go over the shoes first, and then we will go over them with the retail by its side. These are size 9 from Kicksnuts. Initial looks, the shoe looks very good. I would say I notice a couple things right off the get-go, only because I have a retail pair and I know what to look for. The shoe does look a little bit wider here at the toe box, as well as the back. We will show you with the retail side by side. The back is supposed to hump up more. The colors are, I would say, 95%. The rubber sole here is supposed to be a bit more yellow than it is. The shoe itself just looks a little dull compared to the retail version, and stay tuned for that. But otherwise, the shoe looks very good. These are size 9. I will get the retail pair out now to compare. We got the extra laces in Nike bags. Now we'll do a side by side with the retail. As you can see already, the UA box compared to the retail box doesn't have the perforated retail price. The box itself is a bit brighter than the retail being on bottom, the UA box being on top. the logos here on the UA compared to the retail are much more dull. But otherwise, unless you know what you're looking for, the box is very good. As you can see, they are the same size. A lot of UAs have bigger boxes or smaller boxes, but these boxes are the exact same size. Retail is on the left-hand side. The UA is on the right. As you can see, the colors are much more dull on the UA version. The paper, though, does feel much the same. I would say the retail almost seems a little more translucent, where the UA is more white. Compare the retail version of the extra laces compared to the UA version of the extra laces. The bags themselves on the UA are smaller than the retail. And the Nike logo is much wider on the UA than the retail. But I would say other than those, they are very good. I will take out one of the right shoe when it's on foot and compare it to UA is going to be here on the right side. The retail is going to be on the left. Initial looks of the shoe. The green is almost more faded, where the green on the retail is more dark. With them side by side, you can notice the width difference on the UA compared to the retail, as well as the yellow is much more dull compared to the retail. Looking at the waves, very good quality. The retail does look more defined compared to the UA, but that wouldn't be noticeable on foot, depending on how you wear the shoe. The air bubble on the UA definitely seems a bit more bright red compared to the retail version. Going back, the retail now is here on the right and the UA is on the left. The VA to LA looks very good. There is a bit of height difference. As you can see, that could come from the UA pair being much more wide than the retail pair. but the shoe right there compared to the peak there. On the laces, we have one gold aglet and one silver aglet on the retail, and one gold aglet and one silver aglet on the UA. We will look at the smiley faces, the UA being on the right, the retail being on the left. The shoes are two different sizes, so that is the difference there in the height. But I would say they are very close to being 1-to-1. One thing you do notice on the UA compared to the retail, the velvet is much sharper looking than the velvet on the UA. Let's take a closer look at the stitching. The lines are very straight. Not any of those janky lines. That look like your kid drew them. These are precisely stitched.